Hi everyone, welcome to Tassel Tuesday, hashtag Tassel Tuesday, hosted by Creating with Jovi, and I'm here today to show you what I made for Tassel Tuesday. I just got done recording my video and spent 25 minutes doing a video tutorial, and it stopped, and I pushed the stop button and everything was good to go. When I went to go find it on my camera, it was gone, and I just spent 25 minutes doing this video tutorial. So I apologize, and now I'm just going to show you what I made because I'm a little upset now that I just spent and wasted my time for my phone to act up and not have the video there. So let's get started. This also is an open collaboration, and I will link her channel down below, and she will have a playlist in her description box of all the people that are participating in hashtag Tassel Tuesday. So this is an open collab, so it's a lot of fun. And you create and make whatever on it for a tassel. So the first thing I made were these beads here, and I used beading thread and a needle, and I used 15.0 beads, seed beads here, bicones here, and 11.0 seed beads there, and 4mm beads here. So I made two of them, and they look like kind of like you can make earrings. And I made a loop on the top, and these are the 15.0 seed beads. And I made two loops, and there's 14 here. And then I just went down with the thread and started threading my beads and went back up again, and then down and up. Yeah, anyway, I made four of them, four strands for these. Okay, the next thing I made was this here, and I used a chain with a charm on it with a butterfly. There's that here. And these beads here, the purple and the pink, came from the Dollar Tree. I just hung the chain, and I used 3 beads per one, a total of 8 sections. Well, there's 2, 4, 6, 8. And then I used a big jump ring there, and then I hung 2, connected the 2 together with a jump ring like that, and then I did the same on this side. So I thought that turned out cute. This is actually a very dark purple, but for some reason it looks blue. Dark blue, but it's purple. And I wanted to hang the chain there. So there's that. And this is what I was doing my video tutorial on, that I'm really upset over right now. I just spent 25 minutes doing this video tutorial. So what I did is I connected these beads together, hung the butterflies on each one. Right there, hung this long chain, and I put the hot air balloon there, and like a little flower slash, maybe it's a clover, 4-leaf clover. Took a pearl that came from the Dollar Tree, stuck it in the middle so I could hang all my beads off of, like a dangle and tassel. And I just connected them all together in a round to make it look like a hanging tassel. So yeah, I really like the way this turned out. I just wish my phone would have recorded, because it was showing the blinking record button and it was counting the time on it, because I spent, I think the last time it was 25 minutes that I looked at it, and then it quit, and then I restarted it again, and so that was a waste of my time. I really wish you guys could have seen that. Maybe I will try it again next week. But that is my tassels for Tassel Tuesday. I just did beading because beading is easy for me to do. And I still need to cut the thread on these. And I'm going to make some bracelets with thread too, but I need to get some fire line. Right now I'm using beadle-on thread, which I'm not a fan of, but I'm going to order some fire line because that's much better thread. So these are my tassels. I have, my lighting kind of stinks here, so I'm just going to lay them out and show you what I made. I hope you do guys like it, and I apologize for my tutorial not showing up. It's very heartbreaking because I struggle with tutorials. All my beaded tassels. All right, everyone. I hope you like my tassels, and I hope you follow Jovi, Creating with Jovi, and she's got a playlist of everybody that's participating in Tassel Tuesday. Y'all take care and be kind to one another, and please don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell to all, and so you can see more of my videos. All right, everyone. Take care, stay safe, and God bless. Bye.